Yeah, so the V60 mower is a beast. It's super heavy duty. And what I found with it was when I was cutting saplings and even bigger stuff, it's got carbide teeth on the bottom. So you can, in essence, stump grind this stuff down, and the impact on the equipment is nothing because of the build and the carbides on the bottom. It's really quite a versatile machine. It does everything from grass to 8-inch trees and everything in between. So you can see with the river field here in the video and in the pictures, it was a bit overrun. You know, the small poplars were getting around 5-6 feet tall, and there was the odd tree growing here, and especially down at the river there was willows growing up probably 15 or 20 feet, which were obscuring our view. So we brought the V60 in here, and like I said earlier, anything from grass to 8 inches, this thing will take care of. And in this sort of application, which is more of a maintenance thing for my property, I would say, it's beautiful, it's robust, it does a beautiful job, and being as big as it is, it doesn't take long to cover a lot of land. Yeah, the V60 is going to be a piece of equipment I use a lot after the fact, because it will look after all the brush, all the small trees, maintain all this grass. And if I do run into a tree, it has the capability of knocking down an 8-inch tree. Like, where does it stop? I've cut grass with this and it does a beautiful job. So anywhere from 8-inch trees to grass, the V60 does an excellent job. So paired with the V70, anything from 16 inches down to grass doesn't stand a chance. Yeah, the V60, the first time I put it on, I was amazed at the beautiful finish that it would do for such a big mower. Once I got more comfortable with it, I found that I could get within an inch of a fence post, clearing brush out from around the post and around the corrals. But also, in spots down by the river, you can see that we had giant brush piles of willow and alder, and it absolutely destroyed that stuff also. So the span that the V60 can deal with is like 8-inch trees down to grass, and I was cutting grass and it was doing a beautiful job of it. So the learning curve with the mower was fairly short, fairly easy. It's a mower and it cuts. In this clip here, you can see I'm only an hour or two into this machine getting familiar with it, but you can get so close to a fence post to cut saplings down, and there's no need, if any, to go in afterwards for handwork. It's just really a beautiful, versatile piece of equipment. After using these two pieces of equipment from Virnig, I've found that basically anything from mowing grass up to 16-inch trees I can do with this. The durability is unbelievable, so there won't be any issues. There's one thing I hate, is fixing equipment, and quite honestly, the build quality in this stuff, I'd find it hard to believe I have to do any repairs for a long, long time.